Namaste to all. My name is Gauri MK from class 7 subject Maths. Today I am going to do seminar on Maths subject chapter number 2. Sahil want to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeter. To fit in a frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Solution. Given the width of the picture equals to 7.3 by 5 centimeter and the width of the picture frame equals to 7.3 by 10 centimeter. Therefore, the picture should be trimmed 7.3 by 5 minus 7.3 by 10 equals to 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. 76 minus 73 by 10 equals to 3 by 10 centimeter. Thus, the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. Next question. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother. How much part of apple did Somu eat, who had a large share by how much? Solution. The part of the apple eaten by the Ritu 3 by 5. The part of the apple eaten by the Somu equals to 1 minus 3 by 5 equals to 5 minus 3 by 5 equals to 2 by 5. Comparing the part of an apple eaten by both Ritu and Somu. 3 by 5. Large share will be more by 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 equals to 1 by 5 parts. The Ritu's part is 1 by 5 more than the Somu's part. Now let's see the third question. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Piper finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it long? Solution. Time taken by the Michael in coloring the picture equals to 7 by 12 hours. Time taken by Piper to color the picture is 3 by 4 hours. Converting the both fraction in a like fraction, 7 by 12 and 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 3 equals to 9 by 12. Hence, 7 by 12 is smaller than 9 by 12 equals to 7 by 12 is smaller than 3 by 4. Thus, Piper worked longer time. Piper worked longer time by 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12 equals to 9 minus 7 by 12 equals to 1 by 6 hours. Thus, Piper took 1 by 6 hours more than the Michael. Now let's see next question. Pika reads a book for 1:3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Solution. Time taken to read a book equals to 1:3 by 4 hours. She reads the entire book in 6 days. Now hours taken by her to read the entire book equals to 1:3 by 4 into 6 equals to 7 by 4 into 6 equals to 21 by 2 equals to 10 1 by 2. Thus 10 hours were required by her to read the book. Next question. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 3 by 4 liter of petrol? Solution. In 1 liter of petrol, car covers the distance equals to 16 km. In 3 by 4 liters of petrol, car covers the distance equals to 3 by 4 of 16 km equals to 11 by 4 into 16 equals to 44 km. Thus, the car will cover 44 km distance. Next question. Express in kg. 200 gram. Second one, 3470 grams. Fourth one, 4 kg 8 grams. Let's consider 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. Equals to 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kg. First one, solution. 200 gram equals to 200 into 1 by 1000 kg equals to 0.2 kg. Second one, 3470 gram equals to 3470 equals to 1 by 1000 kg equals to 3.470 kg. Third one, 4 kg 8 gram equals to 4 kg plus 8 into 1 by 1000 kg equals to 4 kg plus 0.008 kg equals to 4.008 kg. Now let's see the next question. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? In 2.4 liter of petrol, distance covered by the vehicle equals to 43.2 km. In 1 liter of petrol, distance covered by the vehicle equals to 43.2 divided by 2.4 equals to 432 by 10 divided by 24 by 10 equals to 432 by 10 into 24 by 10 equals to 18 km. Thus, it covers 18 km distance in 1 liter of petrol. Thank you.